The Apple TV for K2025 is not just an upgrade, it is Apple's most refined leap into the future of home entertainment in the moment. You turn it on, you instantly feel that this tiny box is doing something far beyond ordinary streaming because Apple has engineered a device that doesn't just show content, but transforms everything you watch into a richer, faster, and unbelievably immersive experience. Designed to make you forget every laggy, slow, cheap streaming stick you ever used, and instead pull you into a world where movies feel cinematic, games feel responsive, and your entire living room feels graded, without you having to change your TV or speakers, and the first thing that hits, you is the insane performance jump thanks to the new A17 Fusion chip, which brings console-level speed, lightning-fast navigation, instant app switching, and zero hesitation even when you're running multiple apps or streaming high bitrate 4K HDR content. And what makes this even better is that Apple didn't just focus on speed, they focused on intelligence, introducing the adaptive stream engine that analyzes every frame in real time, boosting sharpness, balancing color, temperature, enhancing shadows, and bringing subtle textures to life. So everything you watch, whether it's a blockbuster on Apple TV, plus a cozy sitcom on Hulu, or a YouTube vlog in 4K, feels clearer, brighter, and more realistic than anything you've ever seen on a streaming device. And combined with upgraded Dolby Vision Ultra support, you get spectacular contrast, deeper blacks, blinding highlights, and a picture profile that makes scenes look so natural, it's almost hard to believe it's coming from a small box hidden under your TV. And when you pair that with Dolby Atmos Spatial audio, the result is a room-filling cinematic sound experience that makes explosions feel thunderous, whispers feel intimate, and every action scene wrap around you in a bubble of immersive sound that pulls you so deep into the story that even a quiet moment feels alive. And that's the beauty of the Apple TV 4K 2025. It doesn't just show entertainment, it elevates, enhancing every detail so your content feels new, even if you've watched it a dozen times. And speaking of older content, Apple has introduced the new RealityView mode that intelligently upscales older 9HDR footage to near 4K HDR. Quality, breathing new life into your DVD era, shows classic movies in early 2010s videos, giving them sharper edges, improved textures, brighter colors, and an overall richer look, while still preserving their original style. And trust me, this feature alone feels like magic because suddenly your old favorites don't look outdated anymore. They look incredibly fresh, modern, and enjoyable. And for gamers, the Apple TV 4K 2025 becomes a secret beast, offering smoother frame rates, faster input response, and shockingly clean graphics, thanks to the upgraded GPU and broader controller support, including PlayStation, Xbox, and third-party controllers, making Apple Arcade titles and cloud-based games feel fluid, responsive, and far more console-like, especially when paired with Wi-Fi 7, which ensures minimal latency and buttery smooth online gameplay. And speaking of Wi-Fi 7, the difference is huge because streaming becomes more stable even in homes with slow or congested networks. And if you've ever dealt with buffering delays or blurry playback during peak internet hours, the 2025 model wipes all of that away, giving you consistently sharp, uninterrupted 4K playback regardless of what else is running on your home network. And when it comes to integrating with your existing setup, the new Smart Display Sync feature automatically adjusts picture profiles, motion smoothing, color calibration, and brightness levels based on your TV model and room lighting, giving you a perfectly tuned experience without you needing to manually tweak a single setting. And it's genuinely impressive how much better even an old budget TV looks once the Apple TV optimizes it, making colors pop, shadows deepen, and motion stay buttery smooth, and fast action scenes. And if you live in the Apple ecosystem, this device becomes the heart of your smart home with deeper tvOS 18 integration, giving you personalized profiles, faster user switching, smarter recommendations, and a significantly improved Siri that doesn't just follow instructions, but understands mood-based requests, like find me something thrilling or show me something relaxing, curating content that fits exactly what you're in the mood for, without you needing to scroll endlessly in voice control. becomes more accurate and more responsive and more natural since everything is processed. End device protecting your privacy and ensuring your voice data never leaves your home. Then there's the redesigned remote, which finally gets improved tactile. Buttons, longer battery life, better grip, and Find My support so you can locate it instantly. When it inevitably disappears between your couch cushions, and convenience is a huge part of what makes the Apple TV 4K so irresistible, because the interface is clean, ad-free, and distraction-free, giving you pure premium navigation instead of the cluttered, chaotic, ad-filled home screens most streaming devices force on you. And in a world where almost every device pushes ads, the Apple TV stands out by refusing to interrupt your experience, which is something users genuinely appreciate every single day. And when you combine all these elements, it becomes clear why the Apple TV 4K 2025 is on a different level, because it's not trying to overwhelm you with features, it's trying to perfect the ones that matter, delivering the fastest, most responsive, most visually stunning, and most intelligently optimized streaming experience available right now. And it doesn't matter whether you're watching Netflix, Disney, YouTube, Prime Video, Apple TV, Plus, or live channels, the performance stays consistent, smooth, and flawless, because the device is built to handle everything without breaking a sweat. And that reliability is what makes it feel premium, not just in specs, but in day-to-day use, where every animation, every app switch, every loading moment feels instant and intentional. And even small details, it's like multi-user memory, which keeps your recommendations separate, or enhanced HomeKit controls that let you adjust lights, cameras, and smart devices without picking up your phone, add a level of convenience that quietly improves your daily routine. And if you're someone who cares about future-proofing, this device checks every box with Wi-Fi 7 support thread, smart home compatibility, expanded storage options, and a chip powerful enough to stay fast for years. Meaning you're not just buying a streaming box, you're buying a long-term entertainment upgrade that will continue feeling prim long after cheaper devices slow down or stop receiving updates. And that's what sets the Apple TV 4K 2025 apart. It isn't here to compete with budget sticks, it's here to deliver the best possible entertainment experience for people who want quality, consistency, and a genuinely cinematic feel right in their living room. Because when you watch something on this device, you don't just see the difference, you feel it in the responsiveness, in the smoothness, in the clarity, in the sound, and in the way everything comes together seamlessly, making your TV feel smarter, your content feel better, and your entire setup feel upgraded without you having to buy a new television. And in the end, the Apple TV 4K 2025 is more than a streaming box, it's a complete transformation for your entertainment space, a device that turns ordinary nights into premium cinematic experiences, and a gadget that proves once again that sometimes the smallest device in the room can make the biggest difference. In the end, the Apple TV 4K 2025 is not just another upgrade, it is the smartest, fastest, and most polished entertainment device Apple has ever created, delivering a level of clarity, speed, and immersion that instantly transforms any ordinary TV into a premium cinematic experience. And what makes it truly special is that it does everything quietly, effortlessly, and consistently, without glitches, without ads, without lag, and without the frustrations you get from cheaper streaming devices. So whether you love movies, gaming, sports, or simply want a smoother, smarter home setup, this tiny box becomes the center of your entertainment universe. And once you experience its flawless picture quality, breathtaking sound, intelligent recommendations, lightning fast performance, and seamless ecosystem integration, you realize it's not just worth buying, it's worth keeping for years, because it future-proofs your entire living room and makes every moment you spend watching TV feel more enjoyable, more immersive, and undeniably more premium, proving once again that Apple doesn't just make devices, it creates experiences that redefine what home entertainment should feel like.